Compatible Android devices can share content with and be controlled through the infotainment display using Android Auto. The phone should be running Android operating system 5.0 or higher. Ensure the Android Auto app from the Google Play Store is installed on the device. Begin with the ignition on and the vehicle in park. Connect the device to one of the USB ports in the center console with a manufacturer-approved cable. A prompt will ask permission to access data on the phone. Select Allow. Now touch the App Hard key in the upper right of the infotainment display. Available devices and applications will be shown. Select Android Auto. A data transfer message will display. Select OK. The display will confirm the connection and that the device can no longer be used as a media source, since Android Auto will now be the default media source. A message will appear asking to check if confirmation is required on your mobile device. An introductory screen will describe what Android Auto will do. Continue, then accept the terms of agreement and continue at all prompts. To go to the Android Auto home screen, press the Home button in the lower left. All compatible apps will display as icons. Touching an icon will launch that app. Controls will vary based on the application. While in any application or the home screen, if music files are present on the phone, the Google Play Music icon will be visible in the lower left, allowing control of music tracks or stations while using another application. Touch the Home button in the lower left to return to the home screen. While using Android Auto, the Google Assistant can be activated by pressing the Talk button on the steering wheel, the microphone icon in the display, or simply by saying "Hey Google," as you would with your phone. Natural voice commands can be used to make calls, send messages, or have messages read aloud. The Google Assistant can also enter navigation destinations using natural language commands, speak addresses, points of interest, or names of locations. To switch back to Volkswagen infotainment controls, select the exit icon. Select Disconnect to disconnect the Android Auto from the infotainment system. While plugged in, the phone will continue to charge. If Bluetooth is active, a Bluetooth connection will be made allowing playback of music from the phone. To return back to Android Auto interface, select the App Hard key and select the Android Auto icon.